Today I'm going to show you how to make a crepe. Oh, perfect. It's ready. Oh, double flip, yeah. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking for Kids TV. My name is Chef Ethan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crepe. So this is what you need: flour, salt, sugar, 2 eggs, oil, milk, and water. And so this is what you add first. You first add the flour, the whole thing. Carefully, because I don't want to make it spill. There we go. Then you add the 2 eggs. Now, dry ingredients. First, salt, there we go, sugar. Then I place in the oil. Then first you start mixing before you add the milk and the water. So what you do, start adding milk little by little or you'll have bumps. Then you start mixing. More too. A little bit more milk. Alright, start mixing. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and if you want it more airy, add clap soda. A bit more water. That's enough. Start mixing. And add water until you have the right consistency. And also make sure it's not too thick or too liquidy. Alright, put this on. And also I'm gonna mix with this baby and check, see if there's no bumps in flour. And also, you don't have to do it. You could also just use a hand or something like that. Now we're going to bake it. It's like matters on the size, because like if you have a small pan like this, put like half of it, because you don't want it to overflow and be too thick. Let's start baking. So it depends on what size. Like if you get this kind of size, first put a little oil, obviously. And also put a little oil, like a little bit, so it doesn't stick. And so it depends on what size. Like say this is your size. So all you have to do is like put half of this on this ladder, and this is master stuff. And then once it's big, you have to put like the whole thing like this big, like this one. And then once you put it on, you gotta like move quickly, because you don't want it to like all. Put it back in, put it like that. Wait till the next one. Woo! Also, here's the thing. First one's never the best, but second's the best. This recipe is from Europe, and crepe is a part of my mom's family and her family, and she's European, and so her aunt passed it down to my mom, then she passed it out to me. It's like a tradition. Keeps on going, never stops. You could also eat it sweet or salty, like Nutella and jam. Or it could be like salty with sour cream, cheese, and ham, like a sandwich, like a breakfast. Or it could be like a dessert, Nutella, jam, or both. I think this is ready. Even though you think things are impossible, they're possible. First is not the best, but second is the best. But like I made a mistake, like it's thick, so next time I'm gonna put half. You gotta like test until like you love it or like it. Got it? Amazing! Now, let's see. Right now, let's go. also, here's the tip. Once all the white stuff is like all dried up, something like that, it's ready to flip. And so in America, this is how they say it. Crepe, and this is how Serbian people say it. Palacinke. It's all dried up. This. To the side. Oh, perfect. Next one is also thin. The key to getting this right is as thin as paper. Once you get your spatula, don't press it down like a pancake, because it'll like get all the air out. I just learned that. Then a bit of oil. Alright, mix it because flour also sits down. And it's like complete easy. And also the stars of tasting, it's like 10. It is so easy to make. It'll take you like 5 minutes once you're like a pro at this. My mission is also to teach kids cook from a book, not from a box. Because we don't know what kind of stuff is in there. And I'm starting to become a pro. Now, this is how I flip it. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. And I also have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 spoon of flour equals 1 pancake. It's like this. 1 flour, 4 pancakes. That's right. That's right. Oh, double flip, yes. So wait, I need to go higher. No! No! Comment down below if I should do another flip or not another one. Yes, it's for another flip. No, it's for not. So fun. And like once you get to the baking part, you could just like, and also imagine when your friends come over, you could just make like 1,000 of these, and like you could also add Nutella, jam, and like you could probably just do it like, put it like that, fold it, and just like, or put it normally in nothing, just leave it plain, and then go like, ooh, ah, like frisbees throw at each other. And guess how many pancakes we have here. And if you say the right answer, you'll get featured next video. Like shout out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we have raspberry jam. First, little. Use the back of a spoon. And this is how you roll a palacinke. Roll it up like this. Boom! Now that's how you make it. Now, let's try. Wow! That was amazing. That was like pronto. Hey Max, you wanna come and try? And here is...
What smells so good?
Here's Smoothie Expert. Give him a hand.
What smells so good?
This. A palacinke with the raspberry jam. You want to try the palacinke?
Yeah.
Can you say palacinke?
Yeah, I can. Palacinke.
Palacinke. Come on, try. This is raspberry. It's really good, right? Amazing. On a scale of 1 to 1,000.
I give it 100 to 100.
I give it 1,000 to 1,000. And also, this is so easy to make. You could make it. Everybody can make it, including like toddlers once they're a pro at it. And also, it's so good with raspberry jam or like Nutella, or you could add salt, sour cream, and then cheese. Just wrap it up as like a breakfast.
Yeah.
It's so easy to make. You could even have it for breakfast. Also, I give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get notified all the videos we do. Oh. And also, my merch is linked in bio. See you next video. Well, this is going to be the next video. Love you guys.
See you
Love you
in the
subscribers.
next video.
Love you likes. I'm grateful for 2 channels and 1 book and my merch. And don't forget to follow Gordon Ramsay. And also, I love him. Please follow him or like subscribe or do anything. Please, I beg you.
I will see you in the next video, but it's going to be me.
Bye, guys. Love you. So this is what you need. Flour, salt, sugar, 2 eggs, oil, milk, and water.